Welcome to this video today, which is for complete beginners coming into the Forex markets. You probably haven't traded yet, or maybe you're a beginner who's come in to trade the markets and found out that, they're not as easy to trade as perhaps you thought before you came in. Now, Forex trading is very simple, but it certainly isn't easy. Now, in terms of one of the ways of succeeding in Forex trading, it's essential that you do this. You basically think and make decisions in a different way to the majority, or the way you make decisions in everyday life. This will become clear as we go through the video. Now, it's very easy to make decisions in the right way when you're aware of why you've got to do it slightly differently in the Forex markets to in real life. Now, in relation to this, I want to basically illustrate the point with a book. Okay, a book isn't a Forex trading book. The book is called The Art of Persuasion. It's written by a guy called Robert Cialdini. If you have a sales background and you're watching this video, you've probably read that book. I certainly read it when I was a salesman. I found it a fantastic help in terms of making more sales by basically exploiting the way my clients made decisions to close them. Now, why this is important will become clear in a moment. But what I want to do, first of all, we're going to discuss the decision-making process. But there's 4 points that Robert Cialdini makes about the majority and how they make decisions, which is very relevant in Forex trading. I'm just going to show a short summary on a storyboard. It'll take about a minute or so. Then I'm going to come back and discuss in more detail on how you make your decisions in the Forex markets and win. So here's the storyboard. I'll go back after that short summary there of the thinking of Robert Cialdini. Now, if you understand those 4 points, you're going to get a head start in terms of achieving Forex trading success. The way that humans make decisions and their motivation behind them, you can't come in with that normal decision-making process in the Forex markets. You've got to change it. You're going to win. Okay, so I just want to go through those points in a little bit more detail. Also give you some other tips on achieving a winning psychology. Now, I want to take the human trait of looking for scarcity. Okay, this happens in the Forex markets when beginners come in and look for education. They want strategies or systems that can lead them to success. They don't want to do it on their own, or they feel they're not confident enough to do it on their own. Want to find someone to help them, someone who's got something that is scarce that could help lead them to success. Okay, now in terms of scarcity, system and strategy sellers all over the net just exploit this. I know a guy who did. He sold a software program which claimed to have found just a change in market movement that people could exploit. They could just use the software, set and forget, and they'd make money. $500,000 in 5 months selling the system. Also, the system was actually sold with the money back guarantee. Hardly anyone claimed the money back guarantee, despite the fact the system didn't work. And the guy actually said, yeah, they thought they had value for money. They never expected to win anyway, but it is very pretty. It does win on occasions. It's not going to win the way the marketing copy is put together, but they just think they've got value. And that's the way a lot of people actually think, actually, which I find extraordinary. Yeah, people who claim that you can follow set strategies, you can't. Do not buy a strategy that is one that you're just supposed to follow rules or a system or whatever. You've got to devise your own strategy. That's one of the keys to trading success. That is actually very simple to do. The reason you have to devise your own strategy is you've got to have confidence in it to follow it through periods of drawdown. Never follow anyone else through a period of drawdown. You don't know why they're losing. Devise your own strategy. You know why you're losing and why your edge will work longer term. So, yeah, don't fall for surefire systems or following anyone else. Let's take his view on consistency and commitment in opinions. Okay, that is so true. When you come in the Forex markets, I'm sure everyone has heard this. You've got to cut your losses, run your profits. You've got to control your losses, otherwise you're never going to win. New traders come in the markets, they think they can control their losses, but the problem is their opinion gets in the way. And it's a fact that once you have formed an opinion about something, it takes a bigger impetus to change it than to keep it. Okay, so you're going to keep that opinion, okay, unless there's a big impetus to change it. That impetus normally, for a lot of Forex traders, is a massive loss that they have to take. Now, in terms of, you do have to have an opinion, strong opinion when you're trading Forex markets, but it must be weakly held. Must be prepared to change it quickly, okay? Don't let your ego get in the way. This is why you need, stop losses in the market, so you know when you're wrong. You should monitor each day as well and basically decide, is my opinion still valid? Okay, you can also keep a trading journal to keep you on track. A lot of people think, oh, I'll switch my opinion easily if I'm wrong. Trust me, most traders will not. Okay, it's essential that you do. So just keep that point in mind. Now, social validation. Okay, there's no question that being sociable beings, we are heavily influenced by people around us. If everyone else is agreeing with something, we want to agree with them. Okay, that example with the bars. Okay, you might think that's ridiculous, that some traders actually got the answer wrong. Not traders, but people got the answer wrong. I'm sure everyone has been in situations where they want to agree with something, or they're going to agree with something which they don't fully agree with because of peer pressure. Everyone's had that in their life. Okay, I think in the Forex markets, if you're a beginner coming in, you cannot go with the consensus view. No matter how convincing it sounds, it's invariably going to be wrong. Okay, you've got to train yourself in the art of thinking contrary to the majority. If the majority are doing everything and 95% of traders lose money, then you've got to avoid it. Forex trading suits a certain type of person. The person it suits is someone who basically has belief in themselves, enjoys taking risks, isn't frightened by uncertainty, okay, is very humble. Okay, Forex trading is all about taking losses and keeping them small. That is the route to winning. If you do that, your winners, if you've got an edge, are easily going to cover your losers. Okay, and also people who really will not just be sucked in to agreeing with the majority. Okay, got to disagree with the majority. Got to do contrary thinking. And in terms of Cialdini, I think it perfectly illustrates the way humans make decisions. When I used to be a salesman many years ago, I used his book to help me sell a lot of services and products, because humans never change. They make their decisions in the way that Cialdini says. You do that in the Forex markets, you'll certainly lose. Now, this is just really a brief introduction for beginners on the type of psychology you need to win in the markets. I'll put some links that are related to the points that I've discussed in this video beneath. There's fuller explanations. Basically not letting your opinion override reality, also on social validation, and also on scarcity. So that is the video for today. Thank you very much for watching as usual. Take care. Have a good day.